Want to program a flip key for your 2010-2016 Buick LaCrosse? First, ensure you have a working key and the new or reprogrammed flip key. Get in the driver's seat with all doors closed and unlocked. Insert your key into the ignition and cycle it from off to on 3 times without starting the engine, leaving it in on the third cycle. Within 10 seconds, press and hold the lock and unlock buttons on the flip key simultaneously. The doors should lock and unlock to confirm pairing. Turn the ignition off and test the key. This programs the flip key's RFID chip to your car's RKE module, allowing remote locking, unlocking, and trunk release. Remember, timing is crucial. The system has timeouts, typically 10 to 40 seconds per step. Having trouble programming your LaCrosse flip key? Common issues include dead key fob batteries, faulty ignition switches, or ECU glitches. If the doors don't unlock during the programming sequence, the fob may not be pairing. Try again, ensuring you follow the timing precisely. For multiple fobs, repeat the ignition cycle and fob activation up to 4 times. Many DIYers find success using Bluetooth OBD2 scanners like Autel or Foxwell for easier reprogramming. Be aware that online forums report a 15 to 20% failure rate in DIY attempts. If you're uncomfortable, consider visiting a professional, as improper programming can damage the vehicle's immobilizer system. Always test all key functions after programming to ensure success. Remember to use OEM parts where possible to ensure reliability.